front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app. After that, tap on one of your chats and select this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Now select Files category, and over here you can select them right away. Tap on one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to access one of your sources. You can also tap on audio and video filters at the top. Now hold one of your files that you wish to add, in my case this one. Lastly, tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!